It's your girl Era, and I am back with another video. So today's video, I am going to try this Nubian palette by Juvias Place right here. And this palette by Juvias was inspired by an African empire in the old Egypt, head by a beauty icon. Famous shadows and stuff. It comes with like 12 shadows, and it's like nudes and like coppers and browns and stuff like that. So here's the palette. I'm taking it out for the very first time, never used it, and it looks like this. It's so pretty. Look at it. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna do like a little eyeshadow look today, and I'm gonna review how the shadows look. And it's like these very very nudie colors, these nudie browns like right there. So I'm gonna do like a neutral look, and we're gonna see how this looks, and we're gonna see how this looks. Okay you guys? Okay you guys, so I got my glasses off. I don't have any foundation or any of that on my face. So the first thing we're gonna do is prep my eyes with this hydrating eye primer. Make sure that like the base and stuff can go on perfectly, you know, stuff like that. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm going to put this shadow right here all over the lid. Okay you guys, so I'm actually not gonna go in with this one because it's more of a shimmer, not a matte. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, this brownish like tan shade, and I'm gonna go in that Fallout, and with that into my crease. So okay, so the next I'm going to use this Morphe R32 brush right here. It's a little round brush right here, and I'm going to take this milky shade right at the bottom, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this sparkly one right here, and I'm gonna put it all over the lid. I'm gonna use this Morphe brush from the eye collection, and I'm gonna spray it all over my lid. This color in here, this light brown coffee shade. Look at that. Okay, I like this look. Alright, so now I'm going to take this Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium Tan Nude. And I never tried this before, so I'm going to use this to cut the crease and make a nice little bedazzling on my eyes. You can see it looks really like bland and stuff. So I'm freshly opening this. I like the Dew Fit. Like, I saw this in the store and I love the Dew Fit applicator. It's really nice. So I'm just going to take this brush from the eye collection from Morphe, and I'm going to take a tiny bit of this concealer from Tarte onto my hand, just a tiny tad bit, not too much. The little goes a long way. I heard the Tarte foundation Tarte concealer is really full coverage, so I really don't want a lot. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit, use this brush, and just cut my crease. A little bit more. So I am done doing that and cutting the crease, as you can see. So now I'm going to take this brush right here from the same eye collection from Morphe, and I'm going to take this shimmering shade right here. And I'm going to spray it with some MAC Fix Plus because I heard that MAC Fix Plus brings out all the shimmers. So let's spray it. It's locked. Let's spray it. A little bit of MAC Fix Plus. And let's just put it all over the lid. Back in with this brush with the first shade I used, which was, I think it was this shade right here. This shade right here. I'm gonna go back and fix that crease right there. Blend it with the top. I'm going to do the other side with the same color. I'm going to dab it into that pan. That thing, yo. And I'm just going to blend it up. Okay guys, so I really like this look. It looks okay, you guys. So this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will do more eye tutorials sooner or later. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.